Joumou.
Yellow squash soup. A main dish from Haiti.
Serve 6.
You will need 17 ingredients. Step 1. Cut the meat in pieces and add salt, cloves, thyme, lime juice, garlic and parsley. Cook the meat covered in 2 cups of boiling water over medium heat, adding boiling water from time to time until the
Step
meat becomes
2.
very tender. When the meat is tender, add all the following ingredients that have been cleaned, washed, peeled as needed and cut small or in cubes and enough boiling water to cover all the ingredients to a depth of 1 inch over: yellow squash,
Step
carrots,
3.
onion,
Cover
turnip,
the stew.
celery, taro, potatoes, sorrel if they can be found, and salt. Step 4. Remove the yellow squash when cooked and smash it until it becomes a puree. Add 2 cups of hot water to the mashed squash and pour it back into the soup. Step 5. Add at last macaroni or spaghetti or vermicelli. When all is tender, add parsley finely chopped, crushed garlic, olive oil and butter or margarine, the juice of 1 fresh lime and a whole green hot pepper.
Step
not
6.
cut, just for
Taste the
smell and a
soup
pinch
and
of
add
salt
pepper.
if needed. Now reduce heat from medium to low and let cook uncovered, turning from time to time with a wooden spoon an additional 10 minutes before serving. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.